SLU has definitely prepared me for the real big world out there because SLU teaches the whole person, as they say, the mind, body, and spirit.
And I feel like SLU prepared me so well to end up in a job that I can be a part of something bigger than myself.
I got my first internship when I was a sophomore. I really was able to develop a good relationship with that company and continue to work while I was in school, not just at any job, but a job where I was in a corporate office getting really valuable experience.
Higher ed is going through a paradigm shift. You know, parents and students are asking about the return on their educational investment.
I took the course my senior year on career development, and in that course that they helped you build a portfolio. You did job searches in the class, built a resume, cover letters. You did all of that in the class, and it prepared me so well. But when it was time to apply to interviews, I had the whole package ready that I could just submit.
I used the Career Resource Center in the business school a lot. I used it for interview help. I used it for resume reviews. I used it just to talk to the career counselors and ask what are some options in the field that I'm interested in.
The structure now is we're embedded in academic affairs. So we're actually at the table. Our goal is to be a career services center for all students.
I feel like SLU prepared me for that job, definitely through the experiences that I had in the classroom, through the extracurriculars that I was involved in, and through the opportunity to study abroad.
I do feel prepared as a pilot. Parks training is top-notch.
And my first day there, I was like, okay, I can do this. I was ready, and SLU was a big part of that. I don't know if I'd have been as ready if I hadn't had that internship, and I wouldn't have had that internship if I didn't go to SLU.